Hey, it's Carly from Graf, and today we're in my home garden, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of a tour of what we have going on. Just to give you an idea, I have a garden that is 30 by 40 feet. I have 10 raised beds, and then I have 2 additional beds where I plant in the ground. So on this cattle panel here, I'm growing adorable honey nut squash. I don't know if you can see them growing. And then in front of me here on this cattle panel, I have loofahs, and I also have these darling little cucamelons that have been so fun to eat and munch on. In this raised bed here, we have pepper plants, and we also have lemon thyme and regular thyme. And in the middle, we have beets growing. We grow over 30 types of pepper plants in my garden. That includes cubanelles, medium hots, Romanian sweets, jalapenos, cherry bombs, Jimmy Nardellos, and a couple others that we're trialing out. In this raised bed here, I have my cherry tomato plants. I have 8 tomato plants in here. They're all different colors of the rainbow, and they've been so delicious. I also underplanted them with sage and some really nice marigolds as well to do a little bit of companion planting. Over here in my garden, you can see that I have more tomato plants. We grow over 30 types. Some of my favorites include Amish paste tomatoes, mountain gold. We grow several different heirlooms, and I already told you about our cherry tomato plants. We're big tomato fans at our house. Look at these mountain golds that are just starting to turn color. And here in the ground, we are growing black beans and pinto beans. So these are going to dry in their pods, and then we'll eventually harvest them and eat them all winter long. And back here, I have collards, cabbage, and kale growing. You can see I have this beautiful cabbage here. We're going to turn it into sauerkraut, but we got all of our plants from Grafs. I have it netted with bug netting because of the pesky cabbage worms. I think I might have one in there right now, or the moths. Okay, outside my garden, I have tons of flowers planted. This is my favorite part. These are zinnias, but I also have sunflowers, cleome, straw flowers, chamomile, and a whole bunch of other flowers planted. I couldn't do all this work by myself. Big shout out to my wife Anya for helping me start seeds, get all the garden beds filled, and of course Yoshi, who hopefully made an appearance in this video.